let's convert this number from scientific notation. So if you look at the value of the exponent on the 10, this tells us how many places we will move our decimal point. Now remember, if the exponent on the 10 is positive, then the original number was greater than 1. So we need to move our decimal point to the right in order to have a number greater than 1. So I rewrite my number and I move my decimal point to the right 3 times because that was my exponent of 10. So I go 1, 2, 3. This is my new resting place for my decimal. So I'm going to rewrite my number. 4,277.7 is going to be our answer. So 4.2777 times 10 to the power of 3 is equivalent to 4,277.7.